Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another video related to passing the drone test, which I created in response to my previous drone registration video, which got a lot of response and helped many people to register their drone online. If you have not watched that video, I'm providing a link on top right on the screen as well as in the description below. So yeah, let's get started. First, go to the website dronetest.com. Scroll down and select the country. I'm living in the United States, so I'm selecting my preference. Scroll down and select the first available option, that is the Recreational UAS Safety Test. Keep in mind, this test is for drone, which is used for leisure or recreational purpose. If you are using your drone for commercial purpose, then you have to select one of the two options on the right. From this page onwards, you will see how easy it is to understand the regulations and pass the test. You can see the instructions on the blue background. After finishing the test, you will get a digital copy for your record. Remember that if that digital copy is lost, it won't be reissued, but you have to take the test again. Or at the end of the test, you can register yourself and can access the digital copy anytime from your account. Also, if for some reason you cannot complete the test, you will need to retake. Fill in your information and start the course. Here is some information about the course, and at the bottom of the screen, you will see the course content. So yeah, let's get started. The course is consisted of 5 sections and total of 32 lessons. It took me about 45 minutes in total. I read all lessons carefully. At the end of each section, there will be questions to answer, and remember that it requires 100% score in each section to pass the test. Maximum number of questions in each section is 7 and minimum is 5. Let's go through all the sections. Make sure to read all the information because at the end of each section, you will get the questions to answer to pass the test for this particular section. You can get an airspace authorization to fly in a non-drone zone by FAA approved service called LAANC, LAANC. It provides drone pilots with access to controlled airspace at or below 400 feet. There's another app called Before You Fly. It is provided by FAA. It provides airspace information only. Make sure to read all information about airspace identification, airspace restrictions, what are the restrictions, else you will face the violation. Always check the authorization of the place first where you want to fly your drone by using the Before You Fly app. After reading all the lessons of part 1, you will see the test and make sure to get 100% score to pass the test. First part has 7 questions and are very easy to answer. I cannot show you all the questions and answers, but this is how it goes. After answering all the questions, you will see the score right away. If you get 100% score, it will take you to the next part. If you do not get 100% score, then you can retake the test right away and correct your answers. This is how you can see your score and move to the next section. In next sections, I'll show you in case if any answer is wrong. The next section is about your presence of mind, flying situation, and about the drone condition itself. I will fast forward the video to move to the next knowledge check section. At this point, you can take the test again and correct the answers. You don't have to reattempt the previous sections, but the current section only. After finishing the test, download your digital certificate. Do not lose it, else you will have to attempt the test again. Or you can register and get access to certificate anytime. I did registration, but it's your choice. This is the certificate you will get. Make sure to print it out and keep it with your drone. It technically never expires. However, the FAA requires drone pilots to maintain knowledge currency every 24 months. If drone pilots do not have current knowledge training, they are not permitted to fly under that certificate. Hit like button if you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.